Good morning to all of you. My name is Ayush Pandey, and today my topic is about AIMS. All Indian Institute of Medical Science, Gorakhpur, better known as AIMS Gorakhpur, is a public medical university located in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. It is one of 20 operational AIMS in India. It is one of the four-phase All Indian Institute of Medical Science AIMS announced in July 2004. The history of AIMS in July 2014 in the budget speech for 2014 and 15, the Ministry of Finance Arun Jaitley announced a budget of 500 crores, evaluated to 799 crores or US dollar 96 million in 2023 for a setting up four new aims in Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Maharashtra and Purvanchal regions Uttar Pradesh. The so-called Phase 4 Institute, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of AIMS Gorakhpur on 2022 July 2016 and Occupying Department means OPD started on 24 February 2019 and the first batch of 50 MBBS students started later the year, making it one of six aims to become operational in 2019. Surikha Kishore was appointed director in March 2020.
Nauka Bihar in Gorakhpur is a popular boating activity that takes place in the serene water of the city's Ramgartal Lake. Ramgartal Lake, which extends an area of approximately 2.25 square kilometers. Nauka Bihar in Gorakhpur is a charming blend of nature's beauty and recreational enjoyment, making it must-visit destination for the nature lover and tourist.
आप सबको मेरा सादर प्रणाम। मैं गोरखपुर की मिट्टी हूँ और मैंने इसे अनेक रूपों में ढलते देखा है। मुझे जिसने छुआ उसने इतिहास रचा, चाहे वो महान योगी गुरु गोरखनाथ हो या गौतम बुद्ध जैसे महात्मा। अगर एक और भारत के आजादी के दीवानों ने अपने लहू से मुझे सींचा, तो दूसरी ओर प्रेमचंद की लेखनी और भाषा ने मुझे नई परिभाषा दी। मेरे रोम रोम में छिपी है एक रोचक गाथा। कहानी शुरू करते हैं मेरे नाम की गाथा से।
Gorakhpur Junction is one of the major railway stations in Uttar Pradesh, India, and serves as a key transportation hub in the region. It is located in the northeastern part of the state and holds significant historical and cultural importance. The station is named after River Sant Gorakhnath, who is associated with the city. Gorakhpur Junction is one of the busiest stations in the North Railway Zone, headlining a large number of passengers every day. Gorakhpur is also included in the top 100 booking stations of Indian Railways. The station handles 190 trains daily. On some special occasions, the number of trains increases up to 473. Some of the other railway stations in Uttar Pradesh handling large number of passengers are Kanpur Station, Varanasi Junction, Mathura Junction, and others. In recent years, Gorakhpur Junction has undergone significance of modernization, with effort to improve infrastructures and enhance passenger services.
Kusmi Jungle is a lush forest located near Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. It forms part of the Sohagi Bora wildlife. Known for its rich biodiversity, the forest is home to various species of animals, birds, and plants, including some rare and endangered ones. Kusmi Jungle is ideal for ecotourism, offering opportunities for bird watching and wildlife exploration. The dense woods atmosphere make it a popular destination for travelers. The jungle plays a crucial role in preserving the region's ecological balance and natural heritage. It holds cultural and historical significance for the local communities. Efforts are being made to promote sustainable tourism.
Circuit House in Gorakhpur is a prominent government guest house located in the city of Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. It serves as a temporary residence for high-ranking officials, dignitaries, and visiting government personnel. The Circuit House is known for its comfortable accommodation and well-maintained facilities, offering a range of service to ensure a pleasant stay. Situated in a strategic location, it provides easy access to important areas of the city, and the architecture of the building is a blend of modern and traditional designs, reflecting the cultural heritage of Gorakhpur. The guest house is equipped with essential amenities including well-furnished rooms, conference halls, and dining facilities, making it an ideal place for officials, visits, and meetings. The lush green surroundings add to the serene atmosphere, making it a peaceful retreat for government officials. The Circuit House is also a hub for administrative activities and often hosts important events and functions. Its significance lies not only in offering accommodations but also is promoting the development and governance of the region. Over the years, it has become an integral part of Gorakhpur administrative landscape. The management ensures that the infrastructure is regularly updated, catering to the need of modern day visitors, whether for officials meeting or a resting place for dignitaries. The Circuit House plays a vital role in the functioning of city administration.